Lisa, a lot of fun out there yesterday. Maybe not such a fun golf forecast if you have a late tee time.
So wait, you emceed. Did you also golf?
Thankfully for everyone, no. I did not golf. I was an observer.
Okay. Yeah, chance of storms this afternoon. It's going to be more so late day. Mr. Hidalgo will not be golfing today. He's working today. But if you are heading out to the course this morning, you've got some pretty quiet weather early on. We're going to see temperatures get to near 80 degrees by about 2 o'clock. There might be an isolated storm at that point. It's going to be more so tonight, though. We'll talk more about the timing coming up. Upper 50s right now, very comfortable. We've got a little bit of cloud cover out to the east. You'll notice again a little pink in the sky, a little bit hazy too. We've got some wildfire smoke that's going to be filtering in here likely over the next couple of days. Temperatures now, again, 50s for the most part. Commerce City at 60 and some low to mid 50s up and through the foothills. Evergreen a pretty comfortable 50 degrees right now. Fire danger is going to be high. Western half of the state, we're looking at wind gusts up to around 35, near 40 miles per hour. And obviously it is hot. It's dry. The storms that are popping up will be likely right along the Front Range Mountains and then east of there. And that's where severe weather is going to be the biggest issue for the eastern plains. We've got damaging winds, potentially gusts over 60, 70 miles per hour. Large hail, upwards of around 2 to 3 inches in diameter is possible with some of these hailstones, and then potentially some isolated tornadoes. That's slight risk across most of the metro area, but it's going to be right along and then just east of I-25 that we'll likely see some of those stronger storms pop up here. And you'll see timing-wise, again, early on, quite a bit of moisture over the eastern plains. Some cooler air. We're just on the edge of this cold front that's going to keep those temperatures down. Plenty of moisture in the air. That helps, too, as things start to warm up, fuel some of those afternoon storms. And we're going to see likely right around about 2 o'clock some isolated activity. It'll be another round of it, though, by early evening that'll then roll east. And we're going to see a pretty intense light show likely off across the eastern plains tonight. And those storms will be, again, we're going to be just on the edge of it here across that core of the metro area. So we'll be tracking that through the evening hours, which is a little later than what we would typically see on a summer afternoon. By early tomorrow morning, 50s and 60s, a quiet start to the day. We do have a few showers potentially over the western edge of the state, which is going to be nice to finally see a little bit of rain out where it's been so hot and dry. More thunderstorms likely on Wednesday afternoon. And here's that risk of severe weather tomorrow afternoon. So get ready for more thunderstorms each afternoon here through the end of the week. Temperatures are going to be pretty seasonal, low to upper 80s for the next 3 days. Isolated activity Friday. Things start to really dry out at that point. And then, whoo, Jason. Whoo, whoo, whoo. I just wanted to hear you do it.
I can't do it.
That was pretty high pitched. We're in the 90s this weekend. It is going to get hot.
I can't do the high pitched woo.
Let's hear it.
I can just do a woo.
No, you.
That's a bad woo. That's a really bad woo. I shouldn't do a woo. My wife is a wooer.